Hi guys, Emissive maps. Today we're going to talk about Emissive and I will show you some tips and tricks based on my own artworks and artworks of my students. Let's go! We use Emissive maps to show different effects like glowing lanterns, windows, glowing runes, flames and everything that you want to glow. It's basically a texture map that multiply its value and increase the light intensity. Simple texture emissive, that is basically part of your diffuse texture, but you wanna glow it up. It's often used for building windows glow, lanterns, and some magical runes on weapons and so on. Like the one we have on this blade. It's just a runes texture. Save it as separate emissive texture and use it in our emissive shader. How to make it? Make sure you have painted your emissive details on separate layer, then it will be easy to separate it from the main texture and just add a pure black background, save it, and that's it. Next one is emissive with reflection light painted. In this case we also try to imitate the glow reflection light on nearest surfaces. That way it looks even more cool. As you see on this gates model that I made couple years ago, the light reflects from the sphere on nearest metal surfaces. And it's all painted in emissive map by us. Or it can be the metal heat, works pretty similar like reflection emissive and just nicely painted with some soft brushes. Moving to the more interesting emissive maps, more like some effects that use separate meshes. Our favorite sparks, different shine, flames and so on. We can see very nice examples of mesh emissive on this World of Warcraft fan art model that I made. It's Orgrimmar monocycle and it have headlight glow and some fire effect from these exhaust pipes. Let me show you how I made it. As you see, these ones are 3 poly cylinders and they use some nice and simple tileable texture that I painted in Photoshop. The first 2 cylinder meshes using this gradient with some transparency at the end of it. The third inner cylinder mesh uses this spread light texture that adds additional effect like it's a headlight glow. For these exhaust flames that we have here, I used a set of different meshes combined together, some planes and cut cylinder forms, and we have this nice set of flames for exhaust pipes. All of them use this simple tileable texture that you see here, and I really love how it looks, and it's often used in our favorite stylized and hand-painted video games. Another cool emissive effect that I use often is the outline glow. It works like glowing outline that rotates with the camera around your object. It can be used for weapon blades, lanterns, potions and that kind of things. As an example I will show you this scene that we made with one of my amazing students. We need a mesh that have similar shape as the object we want to outline. Then you need to invert it normals in any 3D software, so now it's like seen only from inside. The texture here is just a flat colorful gradient, super easy to make, and when we apply the emissive with transparency to it, and it will give this interesting effect when outline glow follows the camera. Hope you liked the video, thanks for watching, peace.